This is the platform view that lets you see the full learning week in front of you. From a computer or phone, you can see the full timetable for the upcoming week, the sessions being run daily and the subjects being covered. This gives the learning a rhythm. Instead of you wondering when to plug in or what is available to you, the schedule shows you where to start and what is coming up. These sessions are designed for different stages. There are classes for beginners, for more advanced learners, and full training connected to particular scanners and the markets. There are sessions built around scanners during the US trading session, London, while other sessions look at other tools, indicators, and asset types, including gold, NASDAQ. That variety matters because people do not arrive with the same experience, the same amount of time, or the same interests. The schedule lets you choose what is relevant to you and where you are now. And for many people, the recording vast library is one of the biggest strengths. Work, family, time zones, and everyday commitments can make live attendance difficult. Missing a live session does not mean missing the lesson. The recordings are there to watch back daily, pause, revisit, and learn in your own time from when the time is right for you.